Introduction. As winter approaches, many of us face the common challenge of dry skin. The cold air, combined with indoor heating, can strip moisture from our skin, leaving it feeling tight, flaky, and uncomfortable. This seasonal struggle can be particularly frustrating, as traditional moisturizers may not always provide the relief we seek. That's where home remedies come into play. Utilizing natural ingredients not only helps to hydrate and nourish our skin, but also avoids the harsh chemicals often found in commercial products. In this video, we'll explore effective home remedies that can soothe dry skin during the winter months. By embracing these simple, natural solutions, you can maintain healthy, glowing skin all season long. So, let's dive into the world of home remedies and discover how to keep your skin happy and hydrated this winter. Understanding dry skin. Dry skin is a prevalent issue during the winter months, primarily caused by the combination of cold outdoor temperatures and dry indoor heating. When the humidity drops, our skin loses moisture more rapidly, leading to a range of uncomfortable symptoms. Common signs of dry skin include itching, flaking, and a tight sensation that can make everyday activities feel irritating. If left unaddressed, dry skin can lead to more severe conditions, such as eczema or dermatitis. It's crucial to recognize these symptoms early and take action to restore moisture and protect your skin barrier. By understanding the causes and symptoms of dry skin, you can better equip yourself to tackle this seasonal challenge. In the following sections, we'll explore effective home remedies to help alleviate dryness and keep your skin feeling soft and supple throughout the winter. Natural oils for hydration. Natural oils are a fantastic way to combat dry skin, especially during the winter months. Coconut oil is renowned for its deep moisturizing properties and antibacterial benefits, making it ideal for soothing irritated skin. Olive oil, rich in antioxidants, not only hydrates but also helps to protect the skin barrier. Almond oil is another excellent choice, known for its lightweight texture and ability to nourish without clogging pores. To maximize absorption, apply these oils to slightly damp skin after bathing, allowing the moisture to lock in. Gently massage the oil in using circular motions to enhance penetration. It's important to choose oils based on your skin type. For instance, coconut oil may be better for dry skin, while almond oil suits sensitive skin. By incorporating these natural oils into your skincare routine, you can achieve soft, hydrated skin all winter long. DIY moisturizing masks. Creating your own moisturizing masks at home is a fun and effective way to hydrate dry skin. Let's start with a honey mask. Simply mix 2 tablespoons of honey with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Apply it to your face for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing. Honey is a natural humectant, drawing moisture into the skin. Next, try a yogurt mask by combining half a cup of plain yogurt with 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply it for 20 minutes. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates while providing hydration. Lastly, mash half an avocado and mix it with a tablespoon of honey for a creamy mask. Avocado is rich in healthy fats and vitamins that nourish and hydrate the skin. Feel free to experiment with these recipes to find your favorite combination and enjoy the benefits of natural hydration. Hydrating bath tips. Transforming your bath into a hydrating experience can work wonders for dry skin. Start by adding colloidal oatmeal or Epsom salts to your bath water. Oatmeal is known for its soothing properties, helping to relieve irritation, while Epsom salts can relax muscles and promote overall well-being. When it comes to water temperature, aim for lukewarm rather than hot. Hot water can strip your skin of its natural oils, leading to increased dryness. Limit your bath time to about 15 to 20 minutes to prevent overdrying. After stepping out of the bath, don't forget to moisturize immediately. Applying a rich moisturizer while your skin is still damp helps to lock in moisture and keep your skin feeling soft and hydrated. By following these tips, you can enjoy a relaxing bath while effectively caring for your skin during the winter months. Lifestyle changes for better skin. Making simple lifestyle changes can significantly improve your skin health during the winter months. First and foremost, staying hydrated is crucial. Drinking plenty of water helps maintain your skin's moisture levels, so aim for at least 8 glasses a day. In addition to hydration, focus on a balanced diet rich in vitamins and healthy fats. Incorporate foods like avocados, nuts, and fatty fish, which provide essential nutrients that nourish your skin from the inside out. Vitamins A, C, and E are particularly beneficial for maintaining skin health. Lastly, don't underestimate the importance of protecting your skin from the cold. Wearing gloves and scarves can shield your hands and face from harsh winter winds, preventing moisture loss and irritation. By adopting these lifestyle changes, you can keep your skin looking vibrant and healthy all winter long. Conclusion. In this video, we explored effective home remedies for combating dry skin during the winter months. We discussed the challenges posed by cold weather and indoor heating, and how natural oils like coconut, olive, and almond oil can provide much-needed hydration. We also shared DIY moisturizing mask recipes using common ingredients such as honey, yogurt, and avocado, along with tips for creating a hydrating bath experience. Remember, using home remedies not only nourishes your skin, but also allows you to avoid harsh chemicals. We encourage you to experiment with the remedies we've shared to find what works best for you. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with friends and family who might benefit from these tips. Together, we can all achieve healthier, more hydrated skin this winter.